Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on Predator 17. On Windows 10 there's not really a native method for that, so you should go into your browser. I'm gonna quickly configure that and then search for OBS Studio, OBS download, whatever. Go to download OBS, select your system, Windows of course, and select download installer. Now wait until the exe file downloads, and once it's downloaded we're gonna set it up, and I'm gonna quickly show you how to use it to record a screen, but you can do way more with that. Although you just need to mess around with it, maybe read some tutorials about it, and yeah, so I'm gonna open the file, see if it opens. It does. Yes, let's click on yes, next. You can change the path, of course, install, and wait for it to get installed. Now I'm gonna finish it and it's gonna launch the OBS automatically, but we also can see the shortcut on the desktop, and I'm gonna optimize it for recording. Then click on next. I'm gonna use the current resolution, the FPS, let's leave it as it is, and now it's testing some stuff to see how it all goes. And now I'm gonna apply the settings that it has chosen, and what you need to do is first of all add the source here, click on plus, then display capture, okay, select. You can leave the capture method to automatic, select the display you want to capture, click on OK. Then you can mute the desktop audio or unmute it, and you can do the same for microphone. And now click on start recording, or go to settings, hotkeys, and set start recording to something like maybe I don't know, like the pause break button that you have on your keyboard, which you probably don't use, and then you can start recording with that, or with start recording. You can see now it has started. You can do everything. Then if you want to start, click on start recording. Now it's saved as MKV, which I don't really like, so instead you should go to output. And to make it all easier, I'd recommend setting the recording format to MP4, then apply it. And now, once you start recording, and then after you stop recording, it's saved to videos. The path also can be changed in the settings. And if you go to the videos, you can see that I have both of these. Sometimes the MKV file may be hard to open, so I'm also gonna show you how to fix that, but you can just simply open that once you start and it works. Although if you want to fix the MKV file if it doesn't play recording, you can see now it has started. Here it works, but not always, so then you just need to go to file, Remux recordings, select the OBS recording path, open that, then make sure that here on the left side is it's like the path, and on the right side is the target file with MP4, and click on Remux, and recording is Remux, and it should work just fine. I'm gonna exit that, and that's basically it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.